Welcome to the 11th Annual National Sailing Fan Day, September 18, 2024. And today, I will be doing the video tour of all the fans around in my house. So, we're going to start off here in the living room, but before we do it, I just want to give you the story behind National Sailing Fan Day. In 2005, George W. Bush signed the EPA Act of 2005 to require fan manufacturers to follow energy efficiency restriction guidelines. They will give them every few years of which energy efficiency guidelines they should follow. And it was a requirement by law. Not a lot of companies wanted to do that, but it was done by law. So, this is why you're seeing wattage limiters inside GU24 fitters along with candelabra-based light fitters. And then you're also seeing DC motor fans being more common along with LED lighting. Now in 2013, when the new DOE proposed a regulation to require fans to be more energy efficient, a lot of manufacturers were opposed to that because it was overregulated. So Fanimation took action to its own hands to initiate National Ceiling Fan Day on September 18, 2013. Its purpose was to prove that ceiling fans are already saving a lot of energy because that proposal to require fans to be more energy efficient is overregulated. So yeah, now we shall begin tour. So we'll start in the living room. We got the last year 2002 Hunter Original in black. Still hasn't changed other than the oil inside. In the computer room we got the 50-inch Casablanca Delta 2. Nothing changed other than the 40-watt LED bulbs are in there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and demonstrate it, starting with the light. Also, other than change, also swap the control out. It's on a bypass switch to disable dimming. Here's the light, which we don't really need here, but yeah, here it is. Okay, so now we will go ahead and operate the fan. We're going to go ahead and start it off with low. It's on a You know what? It's on a Eaton RDC15 control. Capacitor values 5, 8, and 13. That's the only thing that changed in here. And yeah, this fan actually got a bit of use on medium. Nice static low speed. Okay, go up to the second low speed. This one matches close to factory low 8 UF. Okay. Now we'll go up to medium. This is 13 UF. And this is the speed that's usually on the most. Okay, here's medium. This one I got a bit of use on medium. This fan has been mounted to a wind joist for a year, never fallen out. And we'll go up to high speed. Very powerful. Very. It's very powerful. Very powerful indeed. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is shut the fans off. And we will go ahead and show you the other fans. Okay. So I'm not going to bother with spin down, so all we got to do is go to the garage. And for the fan of the day today is the Homestead Windsor Comfort Flow. So I chose this because of its unique 5-speed click knob system. And it's a really neat fan, a really interesting fan to begin with. So I'll go ahead and turn the fan on. We'll start off with low. We'll go up to medium low. Medium. Medium high. And now for high speed. All right. Now we'll go ahead and turn it off, and we will take a tour of the fans in my collection. Right here on the shelf of Casablancas, we've got 2 Venuses, Stealth with the flywheel upgraded to aluminum, Spirit Saturn with the Home Depot model number, 1992 Lady Delta, 1992 Delta 2 with an Emerson K55 opposed to using Samsung. And on the back is the California Zephyr. Cap for the last year 2002 original. And the cap I made for the 1895 series. We got the light kit for the Hannah Larson, that's a GU24 fitter. And right here we got recall clips from Cole Semenko, which I may end up getting more in the future. In case when I end up getting a fan job up on repairing fans. Okay, so we got the tube 400 original oil, the sealing adapter plate for hang true fans installed on exposed ceilings, fabric to use to replace vent screens on Casablancas, and all that crap. But the bearings in there, I'm not going to go dig through all of it. But we have controls, Touch, W11s, W31, Ryan UC 9031, capacitor valves 4711, the Lepiton fan light control, capacitor valves 6 and 11, the Neutrons, not Neutron, Leviton solid state speed control, this Eaton RDC15 control package. Got hang trues, all of them, those are recalled ones. Flywheels, the original pull chain from the 1994 original. Capacitors, that one from the 2nd century. The 7.5UF that I intended to use for the 2nd century until I found out that it was not the right value. That's the one 7.5UF. The 8UF is the correct value for the 2.0 amp original. 2 capacitors inside. These are 3UF. This one's a 10UF. And the one in the bag are the other 7.5UFs. Okay. Blade arms for the 2nd century original. One of the napkins are badges. These are for the Victorian fan. Blades for the Venus fans. And this random light kit that I have for no good reason. '12 Mission, 95 Panama 5, manual for the prop fan, got the 1994 original, 1998 low profile 2, and by Larson, the box for the Windsor Comfort Flow, Modern Fan Company Series Short, brushed aluminum, 100 Norden, Verde Delta 2, and all the packaging and stuff. But I'll show you the packaging for the blades for the Homestead. '91 Victorian buried underneath the bag. SMC DC42, the Global Winds / Kmart version. The 2 El Cheapo Armitages that I don't really care for. They are going to be replacement stock or just use as parts fan if I find something better to use as replacement stock. That one here is the Harbor Breeze Vector Elite. This one here is the Hannah Bay St. Clair. Hannah Bay Lyndhurst in the box, which I kept only because of being the first fan I bought from the store. We got here is the 5 Series Walia B567 gloss rosewood blades, new fan spinner blades, the blades for a Fanimation prop. Glassware inside are the Casablanca Victorian glassware. This unknown builder thing, which I really need to show the video of this. I really swear I didn't really bother to do it. I got that one in 2023 for Christmas. If I guess, call it. I only got it because that fan came from my friend's grandpa's house who passed away. That was in December. This one's Got the Fanimation prop, the new fan spinner. It's taken apart because I'm trying to get that shaft on the bottom to be fixed. We have the blades for this unknown spinner thingy. No, builder thingy. It's 5-blade. 102nd Century original. There's the towel underneath it because I don't want to. Should I ever worry about oil spilling out? And we got the Emerson 1895 series, new bearings and polished up faceplate using Brasso. Underneath, you can see here is the Robinson Myers antique fan. Got the glassware for the Hunter or the Phantom 5, the glassware stealth. Got here bulbs for fans. That spare thing here, 268 chain. I could have sworn there's a blade on somewhere. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah. So yeah, that's the back. I'll just show you the down rods. All of them stupid hang true 2 down rods, and even a Permalock down rod. Should I also mention this? The container that has the 1895 series hardware. In the back, we got the SMC Kensington. Okay. And then we have the Hunter 7 Breeze. The blades might have been misplaced, but I don't care. It's just some cheap builder fan at the end of the day anyways. And then we got the Robinson Myers antique thing. Like it for the Victorian fan, parts for the Armitage, I don't really care. Either going to be used for parts or used for replacement stock. Got a Fanimation flywheel that I don't know what to use yet. Hopefully something Emerson, but who knows. Even got the Lutron Skylight control, the one made for Hunter Originals. That one has a higher capacitor value. Not the same one, it's a different one. The Kitchener 4-speed control, 4711 capacitor values. U-bolts for Hunter Originals. This Westinghouse box that was originally going to be used for the living room, but could not fit. And plus, I mean, the original's holding up fine, so who cares? We got here is the Upper Westinghouse fan box. I might sell this one in the future, but I don't know. But yeah, so those are just whatever the heck I have. We have here is a 1983 Casablanca fan book. And we got some catalogs. We got the Hunter and Casablanca 2020 catalog, Modern Forms, full line catalog, Matthews Fan Company 2019 catalog, 2020 Kitchener catalog, and the Minka Air, I think 2019 catalog. Yeah, those I got right. But yeah, those are the ones I can get through here and there. So yeah. Alright, so I'd like to thank everyone for this wonderful National Ceiling Fan Day video. This is the 11th annual National Ceiling Fan Day, and I really hope you all have a wonderful National Ceiling Fan Day. If there's anything I miss, then I have a spreadsheet of all my ceiling fan inventory here. So I hope you guys have a wonderful National Ceiling Fan Day. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all enjoy this video and enjoy your National Ceiling Fan Day.